Today I'm going to be reviewing the Byakov dash cam. My fiance recently picked this up for me and it's been pretty good. So I was just going to go through the unboxing here and show you what it looks like. Inside the box, it immediately has instructions that I really don't care about. Comes with the dash cam itself. By the way, it doesn't come with any SD storage, so you're gonna have to buy yourself a little micro SD. I'll leave links in the description to some stuff on Amazon. You don't have to get anything super huge as far as like the storage space, but my personal one that I'm using is 128 gigabytes, and I feel like that's kind of overkill. You could probably get something lower, maybe, you know, the 40s or 50s, just to kind of have a little bit information saved for that day, especially depending on how often you plan on using this. Because if you're going to be using it for an entire day, like if you're doing Uber like I do, then I definitely recommend getting a bigger space just so you can be able to have enough information. And with mine, with 128 gigabytes, I can store at least 2 days worth of footage. So it's pretty hefty. So I feel like I could have gone down to maybe like 60 gigabytes to be safe. And the cool thing about it is that it overwrites any information that happened previously. So if it ends up getting full on the SD card, it will start erasing old footage. So that's something to keep in mind too. And this is why I say that if you want to get a bigger gigabyte space, it would definitely help more, so you can have more information that it logs there over time. How I typically use it is I hook it up to the suction cup and I put it right on the windshield. Then it comes with this like back scratcher or whatever this is. I'm not really sure what that's about. Comes with the charger, so you can hook it up to your car directly. I didn't use this. I landed up just using a standard USB one, since my car does have a USB port, and that way I saved the cigarette lighter thing for charging my cell phone instead. And then more instructions. If you want to read through that, I don't care though. Once you plug it in, it's going to boot up. It's going to show you 3 buttons to press. The one you're going to go for is record mode. So I usually just press the up arrow, and then I press the power button to select it. All right, so what better way to test it out than to actually be driving and showing what it looks like. The quality of it isn't that bad. As you can see, we're going into the sun right now, so I don't know how it's gonna look. I didn't really mess around with the settings too much. I mainly just put it on record and then just let it, you know, just record whatever is going on. And it works for what it does, you know, like it's nothing special or whatever. You're not gonna get like super HD quality out of it or anything, but it gets the job done. The audio quality on it is shit. Like it's like really terrible. So if that's a priority for you, then I definitely don't recommend it for that. But it does a good job of at least, you know, showing us what's going on in front of us. But yeah, that's a quick review of the dash cam. It works pretty well. I have no problems with it. It's been great. So yeah, I see so much dumb shit all the time. And I'm actually thinking about starting up a little series of just like literally dumb drivers doing dumb things. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Well, here goes the epic traffic part. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thumbs down if you didn't. And I'll see you guys on the next one.